Hello, all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see the data frame in pandas library. Right, basically, pandas is one of the package so that we use mostly to perform the data analysis using the Python. So data frame is like table in the Excel or SQL. So table have the column name and records. Right. So already I installed the pandas library. So I just import, like, if you want to import any function libraries in the Python, you need to use the import library name as a pd. So we are giving the just instance name. Now what I will do, I just create the one variable so that contain the date, like data frame, actual data frame. So most common way is to use the from the dictionary. From dictionary we just need to give the column name and values. So id is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and next column is name, right? And then I can give the a comma b comma c comma d, and next one I can give the salary. Then salary maybe like $100, $200, and $300 and $400. Now if I just, now we created the data frame, we want to see the data frame. So print is the function we can print our data frame, right? So now if you see, we are getting the, sorry, actually firstly we need to create the data frame, right? So firstly I can make as a data here rather than making as a df, and then df is equal to pd dot data frame is the function where we can create the data frame. So we need to pass this data variable to this function. And now if I run the code, you see we got the table like structure. Here we are the, this is the column header name, and this is actual data, and this is the index, right? Now if you want to access any column name in data frame, you just need to give the data frame name and list and column name. Now if I run this one, it will show like that. It is series. Now if I want to multiple column name, again we need to give the subset id comma salary or cell. Now if I run this one, it will give like that. Now suppose I want to access the row, so there we have the one function df.ilock, right? So it will basically work on the index. Now if I run this one, so basically this ilock, if you not provide only one index, it will work as a series, right? So all the column name coming here and their respective values, it is coming like that. So if I use df.ilock 0 1, then it will return the first row. So basically 0 first row, and if I use the 0 comma 2, it will return the two rows. So basically it will start from the 0 and end with the end. So it will start with this column header, that is 0 and 1 and 2, like 0 and 1, like that. So that's all about the data frame in pandas. If you have any question, any doubt, please write down in comment, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.